Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to jack up your Fiat 500 or other cars using a Planck power pad in flat version. The flat version comes to us for universal fits. Okay, this will fit underneath your car if you have a style like that here with this area nearly. This is the stronger area to for a jack, and you can see here what's going on if you do not use rubber pads for that. Okay, let's try this, but the rubber pad by Planck is already matches. Okay, good job here. So we can start now. We know where we have to attach the power pads. We're going to use a flat version of it because we have here a flat trolley jack. Okay, this we get now underneath and lift up the car. Here you can see how it works. The power pad is now going down where the stronger area for the jack is, and we can on that place, because of this this optimal underbody protection stuff, it is better to lift up our car. Of course, we have to switch to a gear number 1 and pull the handbrake and support it on the diagonal axle with wedges, and then we can go down and see what's going on there. This is an optimal underbody protection. The jack's adapter protects the car and the jack holder against damage to cylinder underbody of the car. So therefore, shunting jacks, scissor jacks, and lifting platforms. If you've done that, you can get back the car on the ground again, and often the rubber pad is still underneath, so you have to remove it manually. But you see, it is intact. We have 10 years of warranty because they stand 100% behind the rubber pads. And you see, there it is. This is the rear axle of the Fiat 500, and there is a better shape, of course. In the past, they used such a rubber pad for that. That's how to lift up your Fiat 500 using a power pad universal jack rubber pad. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Tschüss.